Yeah, they call me beach cowboy. Sand cruiser, flat tire, turquoise. Got a shark tooth on my bolo. Saddle up, paddle up my YOLO. Yippee-yo-ki-yay, it's your boy BK, going John Wayne on these ways. Yeah, they call me beach cowboy. Yeah, they call me beach cowboy. All right, hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is another Brian Kelley song just because I love him. I love his album. So I love FGL too. So please let me know if you guys have other requests and stuff. Please hit like and subscribe as well so you get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. But if you haven't listened to Brian Kelley's album, listen to it. It's super good. I love it. So anyway, and let me know if you like this stuff when I kind of tell you about things you haven't heard maybe or something, I don't know. So all right, let's get into it. So this song is really easy to play. The hardest part is it's a little bit of chord changing, but it's not super difficult, and if you're newer, it'll actually really help you get good at this. So it's a great one to do it on. Strumming pattern is very easy for it. I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can do it, but it's a really cool song. So standard tuning, no capo. Let's get into it. So the way that this song starts, you're going to do A minor, okay, and then you're going to do G. I do this G because I think it's easier, but it's up to you guys. So G, and you're gonna do F. All right, so you do F, and then after F, you're gonna do C. Okay, and then you go and then you start over. So you do A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G, F, E, E7, okay? Now you don't have to do that. If the E and then E7 part trips you up, just do it again, just go back to C. Okay, because then for the rest of it, you're basically gonna be playing A minor, not for the whole song, but for a lot of it, you're gonna be playing A minor, G, F, C, okay? That's for most of the song, all right? So for the intro part, you could just do A minor, G, F, C. If it's hard for you to do that and then do E7, okay? So when you do the verses, you're gonna do just like we were saying at the first part of the intro. A minor, G, F, C, okay? Now, that's a way that you can strum it. You can do strum, mute, 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 strum, mute. So you could do that. All right, I think the way that it's actually played, or closer to like for the rhythm guitar, it's gonna be down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so, but I think it's probably better if you're just playing by yourself to kind of either play that part softer for the verses, or to play, or to just do the single strums. Ride into town on my 2-wheeled steel horse. See, like that. So you would do A minor on ride. Ride into town. Town is G. Town on my 2. 2 is F. 2-wheeled steel. Steel is C. Steel horse. Rolling. Rolling is A minor. Rolling on in. N is G, in like a storm. Storm is F. Storm from a gulf. Gulf is C. Gulf Coast. Wherever, so you do A minor right before wherever. Wherever them north. North is G. North winds blow. Blow is F. Blow. And them big, okay, big is C. Big white caps. Caps is A minor. Caps, that's where I hang. So hang is gonna be G. Hang my hat. So, and if you wanted to keep playing, so after hat, you would do C on yeah. Yeah, they call me beach cowboy. Sand cruiser, flat tire, turquoise. So that's what you would do if you, or you could skip the C and you could do, it's where I hang my hat. Yeah, they call me beach cowboy. See, so you would just skip the C part right there and just go in straight to A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G, F, C, okay? So, and the whole chorus actually is just A minor, G, F, C, all right? So the second verse, you're gonna play it just like you did the first one. Second chorus, you're gonna play just like you did the first one. And then the song just kind of keeps going with the chorus. So after that, you can just keep doing the. So the only time that they do the E and the E7, okay, so E, that's at the very end of the first part of the chorus. So at that part, and you don't have to do this, remember, so you're going to do. So then after I just did A minor, G, F, C, then you do A minor, G, F, E, E, and then E7 is the same as E, you're just going to lift off your ring finger. Okay, you don't have to do that, but you can. So that's how you play the whole song. Super easy. Also, if you haven't listened to it yet, you should check out the song "Say the Word" by Brian Kelley. It's amazing. It's a super good slow song. I don't think it's like a well-known one, but check it out and let me know what you think about it in the comments, because it's a great song. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.